The United States government has issued a national emergency. Our country is facing famine as more and more victims are taken by the Grimace epidemic. We urge those who aren't infected to not consume the shake or be within 6 feet of those infected. Victims have shown to be hostile and easily agitated. Other symptoms of infection include coughing, restlessness, excreting purple ooze, skin turned a purplish hue, cognitive dissonance, and a high fever. Healthcare facilities are unable to treat those infected at this time due to the infected individual's hostility and refusal to comply with asymptomatic individuals. We urge those who are asymptomatic to stay at least 6 feet away from those who are infected. We encourage citizens to gather supplies and barricade in a safe form of shelter in which those infected would not be able to enter. We are unsure when this epidemic will resolve itself. Keep your radio on for further instruction.